this is the night before the whole bread making process. I'm like in my PJs just getting this going so that it can rise overnight while we sleep. Okay, mine is like 2 teaspoons of salt. Okay, so this is what it looks like after just having added the exact measurements that I showed you guys. So we're gonna slowly add 2 more cups of flour to get the dough ball that looks like that. That looks good. Covered it with some saran wrap, and I'm just gonna set it aside in the corner of the kitchen. This one is also ready to sit in the corner. And we'll check on them in the morning. It's the next morning.
It's sweet big because you're in the middle.
به به چه نوعی چه نوعی اینا الان نصف میشه میره تو فریزر بسته‌بندی میشه